I am trying to make the math work on exactly what's getting cut off and where the substitutions are coming from, and it's not, I still can't make the math work. So we'll start here with JP Morgan stating that oil supply shut-ins may hit 12 million barrels per day. Global oil production shut-ins could surge to 12 million barrels per day next week as shipping disruptions continue, according to JP Morgan Chase. Head of Commodities Research, Natasha Kinyeva, said the massive supply gap means the market can only rebalance through lower consumption. However, she stressed this isn't traditional demand destruction. Consumers still want fuels like diesel, jet fuel, and LPG, but supply shortages mean they simply can't get them. So the shut-ins are at 12 million. Then Aramco says, and this is actually from March 10th, so I don't know where that gets us. The 7 million barrel per day east-west pipeline connecting Saudi Arabia's eastern and western coast will hit full capacity in the next couple of days. Aramco has been shifting crude flows to the Yanbu terminal on the Red Sea as exports from its west coast are largely shut in due to disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz, which we all know. Exports surged to a record high in the week ending March 10th, according to S&P Global Commodities. Aramco, the world's largest crude exporter, is meeting the majority of its customers' requirements by tapping its storage facilities in Asia, the Mediterranean, and Northwest Europe. But at some point that has to run out because if they can't get enough out to restock, the company only has adequate inventories to maintain flows, provided the war does not persist in the long term, according to Aramco. We have 12 million barrels per day of maximum sustained capacity. That gives us a lot of optionality in terms of where we concentrate our production. Certain areas where we have medium and heavy Arab crude grades we are not utilizing for the time being. They are prioritizing what they're calling Arab light as well as some Arab extra light flowing through the pipeline to meet their targets. And I will see if I can post a map to the community. Aramco has not cut any refinery operations with the exceptions of the attacks on Ras Tanura. This is the biggest crisis in the region's oil and gas industry has faced. Nearly 180 million barrels have been affected by disruption so far. And yeah, so I was just going to stop there on that one. So that's kind of where we're at. But, you know, Yanbu is in the middle of the Red Sea. It's like right, let's see, that's Jeddah there. So it's like right up here, I think, somewhere in there. Which again brings in the Houthis, who have already said that they're going to cooperate with the Iranians. So we'll see how that goes.